So I want to do the next Allure beauty box that I received, an unboxing, and see what we get and see what we think. So I was pretty happy with the box that I got last month, and I did some reviews on it, on the products that came inside. So I subscribed for 1 year, so it's like $18 a month, and then you get new products to try. And being that I'm a medical esthetician, I love trying new products and then letting my clients know like what's worth getting and what's not getting. So anyway, so it comes, you know, with a bunch of products, and then it comes with a little description of the product. So let's see what we got. Okay, so this is a hyaluronic face and eye night cream. So this could be really good. I love hyaluronic products. You have to usually seal a hyaluronic product in with something over it, more occlusive. Otherwise it could dehydrate you. So I'll check out the formula of this, and maybe this is, you know, a heavier weight product where you don't need to seal it in with another product. But it has like a light fragrance, and it is pretty light. It's actually not heavy. So, so we'll see about that one. Okay, let's see what else. So then we have a botanical repair from Aveda, a hair product. So let's see, the description is Aveda Botanicals Strengthening Overnight Serum for smooth and flyaways. So that's good. I love overnight treatments for face, for body, for hair. Like the body repairs itself at night, so it's amazing to do treatments like while you sleep. So kind of like multitask, treat your face, body, and hair while you sleep. And it's just easy, especially if you don't have a lot of time to do treatments literally while you sleep. So I've been getting really into those type of things. So I like the idea of that. The next thing is this Rodial, I don't know how you pronounce it. Dragon Blood Hyaluronic Mask, Hydrate and Tone. Interesting. Okay, so I don't know any of these brands, so I'll have to research them more and do another video. So hyaluronic mask. This gel mask is cooling to the touch and leaves skin feeling super refreshed. All right, so I will give you a try and let you know what I think about this. But there are some hyaluronic masks that I sell here at, but also recommend that are like at the drugstore that are really inexpensive, that are amazing. Off the top of my head, My Shell, you can get at Whole Foods and Ulta and other, and Amazon, makes a really good hyaluronic mask that I use as a sleep mask. And then this one, yeah, see, this one is $58, and I'm sure the My Shell one, it's definitely a lot less expensive. Let me see. I probably have it here. This sleep mask, is 1.2 ounces, and this one is 1.7, 1.2 ounces, and I'm sure this one is like $30, if not less than that. And I sleep with this one a lot, and I really like it. So we'll compare that. And then let's see. So we got another, it seems like every box has like a little perfume in it. So that's good. I like these for like these little smaller perfumes for travel and stuff. So I'll see how that smells and let you know. Then the boxes also, my last box had like either a mascara or an eyeliner. So this is another eyeliner, it looks like. Let me see. Cream. Oh, it's an eyeshadow stick. Okay, so I don't really use eyeshadow sticks, but I'm in the process of taking this online makeup course. So we will try this out and let you know. Okay, and then the last thing in the box here. Let's see. It's interesting. Look, there's not a lot of copy on this box. Okay. Oh, it's a razor. So, so that's interesting. So I will try it out. My daughter just got into like using different razors, so I'll see how she likes it as well. She's 11, and purple's our favorite color, so that's good. And we'll see. I'm sure the razors might be super expensive. But the good thing about these boxes is they will like email you after you get the box, and it'll give you discount codes. So if you like the products, you can buy them discounted, which is really good. And in the back of this book, they're giving you a code to try this skin tool. So this is the Dermal Definer Anti-Aging Facial Cleansing and Roller. So they're selling it for $39, regularly $120, and even $39 I think is a little expensive for this, but I actually might buy it and try it and see what it's about, and let you know, because honestly, face rolling, massage, microneedling, all really good to increase blood flow in the face, which helps just, you know, with general having your skin look better. It's a good anti-aging thing to do at home. So different rollers are good, but you can find really inexpensive ones. Like I also would sell like ones like this, and probably do this exactly the same thing, and these are like $10 that you can find. And then if you buy them like more inexpensively, you can use two at the same time and just it's just more efficient, right, to use something like that than to get one for $40, right? And then I don't know if you can see it. I'd rather get two like other rollers that are inexpensive and do my whole face and neck at the same time. But I will keep you posted on that. So anyway, I will try these. I'll check out the ingredients and see what I think and if they're worth purchasing or if I can find something similar or better for less expensive. So keep an eye out for that. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.